Hello everyone. So I guess you had a fun of trying out all the levels, and do send us the video which you created or the game you created, and it will be we'll post your videos on our YouTube page as well, or else in the upcoming videos we'll show you as future creators as well. Okay. So the thing is that until now we have finished all about the basics of codes, and what we can say is that Scratch is like endless amount of programs, games. You can even create musics, you can even control robotics using the same programs. Okay, so there is not even like a single one definition of Scratch. Okay, there is endless way how you can use Scratch, and this will act as like a fundamental for all your careers if you go for engineering or else like science technology based career as well. Okay, so probably what we're going to do is this is going to be like the end video, we can say, but don't worry, it's going to be like the final video of the course, but we will post videos based upon your request. If you have some questions and if you have some issues, we are more than happy to post some videos. And is there anything that you want to say? Not much. Okay, so that's all for the videos, and I hope you had a wonderful time with us. So what we're going to do is the next video when we say the next series is going to be about AI. So what we're going to do is we're going to create 10 AI games which is already available on the internet, and we're going to teach you how to use the games to have a fun time. Okay, that, to be honest, will not involve not even a single codes. We're just going to experiment with what are the AIs that we can found. Okay, so probably we'll see in that series, and reach out over there. Bye. A special thanks to Karnik, who has been very helpful for all the courses development. Okay, Karnik.